Hello everyone, this is Ritesh Bhatt working in a Minsal department outside university. Basically this video is all about how to integrate SSL certificate in various browsers. But before I will do that, I will show you it is essential to understand why it is really required. See, whenever we browse our banking website or our email website, such websites are protected with the HTTPS protocol. But there are also a fake website. They are using their own certificate and they deploy their website on internet with the HTTPS protocol. And for us, it is a very difficult to distinguish between a real website and a fake website. So how to prevent such website? To prevent website, we have to enable HTTPS scanning at the firewall level and SSL certification integration at the browser level. Within a day or two, I am going to enable HTTPS scanning at the firewall level, and at your end you have to integrate this SSL certificate in your favorable browser. So here I am gonna show you how to do that. I will take three different browsers: Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and Mozilla. But I request you integrate this SSL certificate in your browser as quick as possible. If you will not integrate this certificate in your browser, and I will enable this HTTPS scanning at firewall level, your internet experience will be really bad. For each and every HTTPS site, you will be prone, you will be blocked. So I request you please integrate this SSL certificate at your browser site. So let me show you how to do that. Now we must have that SSL certificate handy in our computer to integrate in any of the browser. So to download this certificate, we have to open our internet website. So open any of your favorite browser. Here I am starting with the Internet Explorer. Type http://intranet. So moment you will type, our internet portal will be open. There is also alternate way to open our internet web portal. You can type http://172.16.1.21. Either way you can open our internet portal. So moment you will open, you will find this security certificate tab on this portal. You have to click that tab, and further you have to click on this tab. Click here to download the certificate file. Click on that. You will prompted to either save or open. If you want to open it, you have to save that file and save. Now open the saved folder. In my browser, default folder is download folder. So your file will be somewhere like this: cyberom_ssl_ca, and you have to unzip that file. Moment you will unzip it, any of the unzip tool, cyberom_ssl_ca.pam file will be ready. This is the common file which will integrate to all of your browser. Now we'll start with our Internet Explorer. How to integrate this PAM file in Internet Explorer, that I will show you. Click on this setting tab. On this setting tab you will find internet option. Click on that internet options. Here you will find a content tab somewhere here. Click on that content tab. Below that content tab you will further find a certificate tab. Click on this certificate tab, and the moment you will open certificate tab, various tab will be open. But what you have to do, you have to select a trusted root certificate tab only, which you can see somewhere here. Okay, so click on that tab, and below that tab click on import button. Okay, now say next, say browse, and you have to select all the file. If you will not select this all file, you will not be able to see our downloaded certificate file. So select all and say cyberome sslca.pem file. Open it. Say next. Again next. Go with the default setting. Do not change anything and finish. You will be warned with one security warning. You can read it, but ideally we don't read and we just simply say yes. So it says yes, and finally your import was successful message will appear. So that's it for Internet Explorer. If you are using let's say Google Chrome, so open Google Chrome folder, select setting. You can find setting tab somewhere here. Click on setting tab and go down. You will find advanced setting tab over here. You have to click that advanced setting button and keep going down till the HTTPS SSL certificate tag you can see. Okay, now you have to select manage the certificate tab. In this now the process for this is as good as the Internet Explorer. We have to select this trusted root certificate. We have to select import, say next, say browse, again select all, same way we have done in Internet Explorer. Select our extracted file, say open, next, next and finish. You will see the message certificate imported successfully. That's it for Google Chrome. Now if you are a Mozilla or you can say Firefox lover, open Mozilla, select this tab and say option. You have to select option button. In this option you will find advanced tab somewhere here. Select advanced. In advanced you have to select a certificate tab. Click here and say view certificate. In Mozilla few steps are little bit different. You have to select view certificate. Here you will not find that trusted root kind of the tab. Go to authority and select import. Select the downloader folder and select our certificate file. Say open. You will prompt for three different options. That is trust this CS2 identity website, email user and software developer. Here we are a web user, so you can say trusted for the website. Select this tab and say OK and finally say OK. That's it. You will not see that successful imported such kind of the confirmation tab over here. So this is for Mozilla. So this way you can implement SSL certificate in various browsers. Now for advanced user, like the user for computer engineering students or staff or IT department or MC department, there is one shortcut to integrate SSL certificate in all the web browser with a single process. But this tab is little bit tedious. So if you are not comfortable with advanced computing or you can say registry editing, you just omit this step and follow the steps which I just mentioned. For advanced user, open your MMC, that is called Microsoft Management Console. Say file, add remove snap-in, click on certificate, add certificate, select my computer, select a computer account, do not say my user account. By this doing this certificate will import to your my computer. So whichever browser you are using, that will apply by default. So next, select the local computer and say OK. Now this certificate snap will come on your screen. Open that snap, select the trusted root certificate, right click it, say all tasks and import. Now follow the steps, go to next, browse and select the file, in my case download. I have to select the all file and certificate. OK, next and finish. You will see the prompt. This tab is common for all the browser. You do not require to perform individual tasks, but just mind it, we are just playing with the registry file, so if you do any mistake you might be a big trouble. So if you are handy with the MMC console, you can follow these last steps. Otherwise, as per your choice or as per your browser preferable browser, you can import the certificate. So I hope this video will definitely help you out how to integrate SSL certificate. And if you have any doubt, just note down or just write your note or your question on this video link. I will, as per my convenience, I will reply and try to sort out the issue. Thank you very much, guys.